this video, we show you one of the best model available in the market today. We will provide you with the key features and benefits of the product. First, let's see the specs of the product.
Cutting-edge grass grooming tech meets the 24V Ion Plus series with the 48-volt cordless lawnmower by Sunjoe. Powered by the exclusive Ion Plus lithium-ion battery system, Sunjoe includes two 24-volt, 4-amp-hour lithium-ion batteries for up to 65 minutes of rechargeable runtime with zero carbon emissions for cleaner air. No more gas, fumes, fuss, or tangled extension cords, just the ultimate in cordless convenience. Sunjoe's 670-watt brushless motor is engineered for efficiency, providing you with maximum performance and extended motor life to keep your mower running stronger, longer. The durable steel blade mows a path 17 inches wide in a single pass for an exceptional trim every time. Customize your cut to suit your lawn. The 6 adjustable height settings from 1 inch to 3 inches provides a perfect and precise trim every time. And for easy cleanup, Sunjoe's included 11-gallon grass bag collects clippings as you mow to prevent thick thatch buildup. When the work is done, simply plug the battery packs into the included dual-port charger and get powered up in just under 2 hours. And for continued peace of mind, Sunjoe's backed by a full 2-year warranty for reliable performance you can count on. So when there's work to be done, go with Joe for the legendary power and performance of the 24V-X2-17LM 48-volt cordless lawnmower from Sunjoe. Get equipped.
Why we like this product. And these are rating for this product.